If you or someone you know is looking to relieve that tension and maybe improve those frown lines or those number 11 lines, this is the video for you. I'm going to share my Gua Sha technique facial massage that's fantastic for alleviating that stress and that tension and those number 11 lines. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you're always aware of my newest and latest natural health videos. Okay, so let's get right to it with your Gua Sha, no matter what type you get. In this video, what we're focusing in on is the eyebrow area. So we're going to use the longer and the more flat edge. So we're not using the points because that can be a little bit too aggressive in this type of exercise. So we're going to use that longer curved edge on the Gua Sha. Now what we're going to do with my opposite hand, so this is my right hand on my left eye, I'm just holding that inner tissue, that inner part of that top part of my eye with my finger very gently. And it's just above my tear duct area. And it's sort of on a diagonal. That's just to secure the skin down. And you're going to use now your Gua Sha, and you're going to start on the inner corner of that eyebrow and just go along your eyebrow with little tiny circles. And you're going to find spots that are a little bit more tender than others. And when you get to one of those tender spots, you're just going to stay there a little bit longer. And you're going to breathe and relax into it. It can be quite painful, so don't be alarmed if it's like, oh my goodness, I do this a lot, so it's not so bad as when I first started. But when you hit one of those tender spots, you're just going to stay there and do your gentle little circles. And that is working out that muscle tension. We carry a lot of tension in this area, and this can cause for especially the contractions of the corrugator muscle to cause those number 11 lines and those frown lines. So then you can of course do it on the other side. So you're going to secure with your opposite hand to your opposite eye, just sort of holding in, and you're using that rounded edge of your Gua Sha and going along that eyebrow area. And you can use a little bit of pressure here, so don't be afraid to use a bit of pressure here. And there we go, and you can go back and go over it a few times. Now you're going to breathe into it, you're going to relax into this, and again, stay on those tender areas. Use it in conjunction with some of my other videos that I have for the number 11 frown lines, so make sure that you check them out. But today I talked all about using the Gua Sha facial massage for those number 11s, those frown lines. I hope you do have some questions or comments for me. Please drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video, and I appreciate all the loves and the thumbs up. If you're new, make sure that you are subscribing and click that bell. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to live your life in tune and in line with nature. Thanks for watching.